Here is a carefully condensed cinematic rewrite at around 4,000 characters, preserving tone, mystery, and scientific awe, with no dashes or separators. For nearly half a century, Voyager 2 has been traveling away from Earth, beyond the warmth of the sun and past the edge of everything we once believed marked the limits of our world. It was never designed to survive this long. Built with 1970s technology, minimal memory, and a transmitter weaker than a household light bulb, Voyager 2 should have gone silent decades ago. Yet today, it still speaks. And what it recently transmitted has unsettled scientists around the globe. Voyager 2's journey was only possible because of a rare planetary alignment that occurs once every 176 years. By using the gravity of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, engineers accelerated the spacecraft toward deep space without fuel. That single calculation carried Voyager farther than any human-made object in history. In 2018, it crossed the heliopause, the boundary where the Sun's influence ends and interstellar space begins. According to theory, everything should have changed at that moment. It did not. Voyager 2 detected a sharp rise in plasma density, confirming it had left the solar bubble. But the magnetic field direction stayed nearly identical. That should be impossible. Physics predicts a clear change when crossing into interstellar space. Instead, Voyager found continuity, as if the boundary was not a wall but a blurred region where solar and galactic forces overlap. Scientists began to question whether the heliosphere even has a defined shape at all. Beyond the boundary, Voyager encountered unstable plasma flows, ghost-like radiation pulses, and cosmic ray patterns that did not match any solar cycle. Space was not quiet. It was turbulent. Stranger still, Voyager recorded organized fluctuations without corresponding magnetic shifts. By every known rule, such conditions should not exist together. What makes this discovery more astonishing is how it was made. Voyager's systems are failing one by one as its nuclear power slowly fades. Engineers shut down heaters years ago, expecting instruments to freeze. Instead, they kept running past all limits. Only a handful of instruments remain active, and yet one of them detected something extraordinary. According to internal sources, Voyager recorded a brief repeating frequency lasting just over 2 seconds. It did not match cosmic noise, plasma vibrations, or any known astrophysical source. The signal was mathematically consistent, structured, and then gone. Officially, it was dismissed as instrumentation error. Privately, some engineers disagreed. It looked deliberate. Not intelligent but intentional. Something meant to be noticed. As Voyager moves deeper into interstellar space, it is exposed directly to galactic cosmic rays, fragments from ancient supernovae that tear through matter and DNA alike. The data shows space is far more hostile than we imagined. The Sun's protective influence weakens faster than expected, and beyond it lies an environment no human could survive. Each Voyager carries a golden record containing music, greetings, images, and a message of goodwill from Earth. Voyager 2 has now carried that message farther than anything else we have ever sent. If anything exists beyond our solar system capable of listening, it will not hear our weapons or our politics. It will hear our music and our voices. Voyager 2 is more than a machine. It is a fragment of human curiosity traveling against time itself. Built by hands long gone, still functioning against every prediction, it continues to report back from a place no human has ever reached. And before its signal fades forever, it has reminded us of something profound. The universe is not empty. The edge is not the end. And sometimes the smallest signal from the farthest place carries